Thank you for attending this first of actually Biscarte, is Biscarte Pinoy, to have helping the SME industry. Madam Sharon Disco is the Chief Trade from our Trade Industry Development. We have your former USEC Mon. That's why today we have a full of good speakers who are able to the guru in the industry will help our SME to be up with the technology and up with the best practices. In our group of exhibitor partners here, we have several technology platform and technology providers, AI, digital marketing, IoT, all these things. This is helping more become efficient and effective, able to help the SME industry to grow. Welcome, good morning, welcome to the first Converge Business Biscarte Pinoy Expo. I'm excited to be here today because like many of yours today, I'm also the ambitious